Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ford Expedition into neutral. Whether you need to prepare your vehicle for towing or simply move it without starting the engine, understanding these steps is crucial. We will cover both the standard electronic method and the manual override procedure for emergency situations. Following these instructions carefully will help you avoid potential damage and ensure safety. For routine towing, begin by starting your Expedition's engine. If your vehicle has four-wheel drive, select the two-wheel drive option. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. While holding the brake, rotate your gear selector to the neutral position. You will then press the M button or manual button on the center console to confirm neutral tow mode. Finally, switch off your vehicle, leaving the transmission in neutral. If your vehicle has a dead battery or an electrical issue, you'll need the manual park release. First, ensure the parking brake is engaged and the wheels are chocked for safety. Locate the small access panel near your gear shifter. Carefully pry this cover open with a flathead screwdriver or your vehicle's key. Insert the tool into the exposed slot and pull the internal lever upwards. While holding the lever, press the brake pedal and shift the transmission into neutral. Safety is paramount when your Expedition is in neutral. Always use wheel chocks to prevent unintended movement. To return your vehicle to park, first ensure the parking brake is applied. Then, press and hold the brake pedal firmly. Shift the transmission out of neutral and into the park position. Confirm that your dashboard display clearly indicates park before releasing the brake pedal or exiting the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.